Hi guys, it's Ilene here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be participating in the $5 Goodwill challenge. This is hosted by Hilary from Old World Home. Before we get started, I just want to ask you if you haven't already to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So for this challenge, I went to the thrift store and this is what I picked up. This plaque was $2.99 and I think it is super cute and I definitely do not think it looks very fall-like at the moment, so I'm gonna get to work and make this look fall-like. But before I get started, I'm gonna show you this quick sneak peek. The first thing that I'm gonna do is lightly sand all of this down so that I can give it a fresh coat of paint. I'm not really sure, but it looks like it was like paper Mod Podged on here. I'm not really positive. But I'm gonna keep sanding it smooth so I can apply my fresh coat of white chalk paint. So guys, I'm almost done getting this paper off. It was definitely some sort of wallpaper. Now just to get the edges, I am using a nail file because there's just these tight little edges to sand off, and then we will be ready to DIY our fall plaque. You don't want to forget to do the sides, and I'm going to finish up these sides and then give it some time to dry and apply my next coat. Alright, so my board is completely painted and now I'm going to use my stencils. So for my saying, I'm doing fall is my jam, and I'm going to start tracing out using my Dollar Tree stencils. These are 2 inches, and I also printed out these words using my computer to also put on my plaque. So the hardest part is done. I have traced out fall is my jam. Going to be using my black paint pen from Craft Smart. This is from Michael's, and my orange Sharpie marker oil-based pen. This is from Walmart. You can see here I hot glued on some leaves. My stencil is all done. Now I'm going to finish off the top of my jam with this ribbon from the Dollar Tree. To get that rippled fabric effect at the edge of the jam, I'm cutting little strips of ribbon and I'm going to hot glue gun them together so they look like that. Then I'm going to glue them all on here so it's going to look like a piece of fabric. So you just get your ribbon, you're going to glue it just like a little loop, and then you're going to just place them all around. The final thing I'm going to do is switch out this pinkish colored rope in the back for my nautical rope that I already have on hand. It's all done, guys, as you can see. We have the leaves and I stenciled my fall is my jam. This came out beautiful to me. I am super excited with the end result. I hope that you guys enjoyed me doing this $5 Goodwill challenge. I only spent $2.99 and all the other supplies I've already had on hand. This was the perfect addition to my fall decor. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.